everyone, and we're here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to install the OpenShell application on your Windows 11 PC. The method is super simple. All you need is your browser and to access the link that I posted in the description below. So here we are. This link contains the GitHub webpage for OpenShell. Now in here what you have to do is simply scroll down until you find the latest version of OpenShell, and then make sure to go under Assets and click the OpenShell setup to download it. And as you can see, now you have to choose a location. Maybe you can go with the desktop one for an easier use, and then click on the Save button. Now after the download is finished, make sure to minimize your browser and then double click on the OpenShell setup to start it. Now all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. Press on the Next button, then accept with the terms in the license agreement, and then again press on Next. Afterwards, make sure to choose a location for the installation, or just go with the default one and press on Next, and lastly just click on the Install button. Now the installation should take maximum 1 minute, so wait until it's finished. Now that the installation is finished, just press on the Finish button. And voila! As you can see, after installing OpenShell, the settings for the OpenShell menu will show up automatically. In here, make sure to fiddle with all your possible preferences to get the best out of this application. For example, if you want to choose Windows 7, just click on the Windows 7 style, and in here make sure to also replace the Start button. If you click on this checkbox, you'll get a Windows button in the lower left corner, and you can even choose from these buttons, Aero or Classic, or you can choose a custom button. But let's go with Classic for example. Now if you click on it, you'll see that you get the Start menu for Windows 7, which is super cool, I think. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.